Hi, my name is Randy Lowen. I've been selling and servicing cleaning equipment for Flexo products for over 30 years, and today I'd like to introduce the Advanced Terra 28B sweeper. So here we have the Advanced Terra 28B walk-behind sweeper. This is the main hopper where all the dirt goes. On the side we have a lever which raises and lowers the side broom, as well as an adjustment knob to raise and lower the pressure of the side broom. Here is our main broom where all the debris is picked up, and we have a filter. The filter picks up all the airborne dust that goes back into the air, and periodically we have to give it a shake with the filter shaker to keep it from clogging. Once we replace the hopper, I'm going to show you how the switches operate. At the back of the machine we have a two-way switch. When I push the switch to the front, it operates the side broom as well as the main broom. By pushing it to the rear, it operates just the main broom. This machine is a self-propelling feature which it can be activated by pulling this lever. This will pull the machine along and make your job much easier. When we're all done sweeping, all I have to do is pull out the electrical cord which is connected to the onboard charger and plug it into a wall socket. The machine will automatically recharge and be ready for the next time. So there we have the Advanced Terra 28B.